San Francisco, a city known for its iconic skyline and vibrant culture, is also home to a rich tapestry of architectural gems. Among these treasures stands St. Patrick Church, a testament to the city's enduring spirit and a symbol of faith that has weathered the test of time. Its towering belfry and ornate facade offer a glimpse into a bygone era, inviting visitors to step inside and discover its timeless beauty. For over a century, St. Patrick Church has been a beacon of hope and solace for generations of San Franciscans. The church's history is inextricably linked to the city itself, reflecting both the triumphs and tragedies that have shaped San Francisco. From the gold rush to the earthquake of 1906, St. Patrick's has stood as a silent witness to the city's evolution, its walls echoing with the stories of those who came before. Today, it remains a vibrant center of faith and community, welcoming visitors from all walks of life to experience its unique blend of history, art, and spirituality. St. Patrick Church is a striking example of Gothic Revival architecture, a style that rose to prominence in the 19th century. Its soaring belfry, pointed arches, and intricate tracery are all characteristic of this romantic style, which sought to evoke the grandeur and spirituality of medieval European cathedrals. However, St. Patrick's also incorporates elements of other architectural styles, reflecting the eclectic tastes of the Victorian era. The church's windows is reminiscent of the Romanesque style, while its use of decorative ironwork hints at the influence of the arts and crafts movement. This harmonious blend of styles creates a visually stunning edifice that is both grand and inviting. The year 1906 brought devastation to San Francisco in the form of a massive earthquake and subsequent fires. St. Patrick Church, like many buildings in the city, was severely damaged. The original structure, built in 1851, was completely destroyed by the firestorm that raged through the city. Undeterred, led by Monsignor Rogers, vowed to rebuild. Steel frame rises, and permanent renovation work begins 1914. And in 1927, the doors of the current St. Patrick Church were open. This remarkable feat of resilience and determination stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of the San Francisco community. Stepping inside St. Patrick Church is like entering a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. The soaring ceilings, bathed in soft light, filtering through stained glass windows, create an atmosphere of reverence and awe. The air is filled with the scent of incense, a subtle reminder of the sacred nature of the space. The church's interior is adorned with intricate details, from the hand-carved wooden pews to the delicate murals that grace the walls. Each element, carefully crafted, contributes to the overall sense of beauty and serenity. Whether attending a service or simply taking a moment for quiet reflection, visitors to St. Patrick's are enveloped in an ambience of peace. Connemara's Emerald Embrace. One of the most striking features of St. Patrick Church is its magnificent altar, crafted from Connemara marble. This rare and beautiful stone, quarried exclusively in County Galway, Ireland, is renowned for its distinctive green hues and intricate veining. The use of Connemara marble in St. Patrick's is a testament to the church's Irish heritage and serves as a visual reminder of the Emerald Isle. The altar's design is both elegant and intricate, featuring delicate carvings and inlaid mosaics. The vibrant green of the Connemara marble, illuminated by strategically placed lighting, creates a sense of depth and richness. This stunning work of art serves as the focal point of the church's interior, drawing the eye and inspiring awe. St. Patrick Church is not only an architectural marvel, but also a repository of religious art and artifacts that reflect its rich history and spiritual significance. Inside, you'll find a collection of religious art and artifacts that tell the story of its spiritual journey. The stained glass windows, crafted by renowned artisans, depict scenes from the life of Christ and other biblical stories. Each window tells a story, its vibrant colors and intricate details captivating the viewer. The Stations of the Cross, a series of 14 sculptures depicting the final hours of Jesus' life, are another notable feature of St. Patrick's. These moving works of art, often rendered in life-size scale, invite contemplation and reflection on the meaning of faith and sacrifice. For those who take the time to observe and engage with these treasures, St. Patrick Church offers a profound spiritual experience. St. Patrick Church is a San Francisco must-see. Whether you are a history enthusiast, an architecture lover, or simply seeking a moment of peace and tranquility, this destination offers stunning architecture, rich history, and a serene ambiance that provides a unique and unforgettable experience. As you stand before its towering belfry, take a moment to appreciate the legacy of resilience and faith that St. Patrick's represents. Step inside and allow yourself to be transported to a world of beauty, history, and spirituality. A visit to St. Patrick Church is a journey for both the mind and the soul. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the timeless beauty of St. Patrick Church in San Francisco. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour and feel inspired to visit this historic landmark. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.